Well, good day. This is going to be how to graph a parabola using Microsoft Excel. And to graph anything in Excel, you need X and Y values. So I made a list for my X and my Y, and I'm going to type in some numbers, maybe -7, -6, and maybe I'll just copy down that series. And now I'm going to put in a formula for the Y, and I'm going to graph this parabola up here, x squared plus 3x plus 2. And so what you do is you put in the equals, and then you want to put in the x. The x is this one, so that's A3. So I'll just click on A3. It says equals x, and now I want to do squared. I want to raise it to the power. And the symbol for raise it to the power is the caret symbol. It's on the 6 key, and you have to shift to make it, and it's called a caret. That means raised to the power, and I want it raised to the power of 2. So that's going to be x raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times whatever x is, and x is still over here. I'm going to click it again. So I click it, so now I've got 3 times x, and then I'm going to do plus 2. So up here you can see my formula for my y. My y is going to be equal to whatever's in A3, that's my x, raised to the power of 2, plus 3 times A3, that is x, plus 2. Let's enter it in. I'll copy it down. Now let's go make a parabola. So you highlight your numbers, the x's and the y's, but not the letters. Oh, don't do the letters, just the numbers for the x's and the numbers for the y's. Under Insert, under Charts, you want to put in a scatter chart. And under Scatter Chart, one of the choices is one that says Scatter with Smooth Lines. We could try that one. That'll be an easy one. And poof, there it is. You really don't need a legend. You can delete that. You already know how to put on your titles and add maybe your x-axis or y-axis or a chart title, and off you go. Now sometimes you don't want just a smooth line like this. You'll want to put in individual points. Like you want to put in what's the exact number for -7, -6, -4, -3, 0, and on. So in order to do that, that's real easy too. You still have your numbers highlighted, just your x's and your y's, not the letters. And this time your scatter chart is not going to be with smooth lines, but you're going to choose this one. Scatter with smooth lines and the markers. So I'll give it a click and you'll see what it is. And there you go. You see it's got the little dots for everything. Don't need the legend probably. We'll just delete that. And there it has your little markers for each one of your intervals. Hey, and that's about all there is to it.